Yay! Yay! Birthday! Oh my gosh!
The bag of goodies.
Oh, front load of pretty clothes! Pretty clothes! I think it was Laura.
Oh, Lord, they brought that in. Who's that
I think
from?
so. I think Laura brought that. Sarah brought it and set it down. Look at that. Oh, it's red and blue. Mustang blue.
What you got?
That's true.
Oh, Sarah, you need to take that and put his name on it.
Oh, you want me to put his name on it? See, we had something we wanted to put his name, like our Lady Mustangs or whatever, and put something on it. Can you do that on that?
Caw-caw.
Not on the Letterman jacket, not that thick, but anything. That's the only thing I found that I can't do, and I can't do those Carhartt. But everything else of it.